Hello everybody, welcome to One to Step YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can delete your Gmail account. Now it's pretty simple to delete your Gmail account. So if you guys are confused, then before I start this video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment as well. Now let's move forward with today's video. Now the first thing is to delete a Gmail account. First you need to be on your Gmail. So right now I'm on my Gmail. Now once you're over here, you want to click on this gear icon. Once you click on this gear icon, you want to click on where it says see all settings. Click on see all settings. Once you're over here, you want to click on where it says accounts and import. You want to click on account and import. Now once you're over here, as you guys can see, the first setting, themes, change account settings. You want to click on where it says other Google account settings. So click on other Google account setting. Now once you're over here, you want to click on where it says data and personalization. Click on data and personalization. And once you're over here, you want to scroll down until you see download, delete, or make a plan for your data. So once you see this section, you want to click on where it says delete a service or your account. To come over here, you want to click on where it says delete a Google service. Alright, you want to click on delete a service. Now you want to enter your password to verify if it is you or not. Let me do that. And then you want to click on where it says Gmail. You want to click on this dustbin looking icon. If you click on it, your Gmail will be deleted. So that's basically how you guys can delete a Google service. So if you guys found this video helpful, then you guys can hit that like and subscribe button to our channel One to Step to get notified for future videos. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day. And if you guys have any question, you can drop it down in the comment. We'll answer you guys. And I will see you guys in a bit. Bye bye.